Here are 3 free affiliate traffic sources, but if you are serious about building a profitable affiliate marketing business, then you are going to need as much traffic as you can get. So I'm going to help you to get more traffic for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Okay, so let's go to the computer and I'm going to walk you through using today's traffic sources plus the strategy that will pull it all together. Okay, when it comes to driving affiliate traffic for free, we need to focus on 2 things. So I'm going to split this screen in half. So on one side, we have a problem. Now this is a problem that your customers are facing. It's what they need help with. You need to know what problem they're facing. Then on the other side, we have the solution. So I'll draw on an S. And this is going to be a product that you promote. So let me just draw on, well, let's put on a $sign, okay, to represent the offer that you're going to promote. In order to do that, we work backwards. So on this side, the problem, so let's create a piece of content and we're going to use Medium, okay, because we can put affiliate links on Medium. So we're going to create a piece of content on Medium and then we're going to link to the sales page that way. Now, you're going to get traffic from Medium, which is great, but we have even more powerful traffic methods and traffic sources available to us. For example, we have Imgur as well, which is an incredible source of traffic, but we cannot send traffic from Imgur to the sales page. You'll get banned for that. They'll delete the link, they'll ban you, and you need to build a degree of trust on Imgur to get links to work in the first place. Okay, so you have to put in the work on every traffic source to build trust. If we want to use Imgur, what we do is we take a quote or piece of content from the article on Medium, turn it into an image, and then on Imgur, we link to Medium. Like that. That's a very badly drawn arrow, but it points to Medium. Also, we have, let's say, Hacker News. So I'll draw on a H for Hacker News. Again, we take a little piece of the content on Medium, from the Medium article, a little teaser, and then we put that on Hacker News with a link to the Medium article. Okay, so that's how the traffic flow. So we start over here with traffic sources linking to Medium, which then links to the sales page. If you do this, your conversion rate will probably increase because you are not engaging in spam. Let me draw on a better arrow like that. Okay, so that's how the traffic flows, right? And I'll show you how to do all this. So you have to go in and actually deliver value to the traffic sources that you're hoping to promote on, and then you only promote solid value that actually helps people out. And that's what this Medium article does. It gives you a piece of content that is rock solid, that you can stand behind, and it doesn't come across as spammy or promotional because you're giving before you expect anything in return. And a lot of the people that fail in affiliate marketing are trying to get sales here. Let me change color on this. They're trying to get sales here without giving anything in return. And that's why their affiliate marketing business is failing. But when you flip it on its head and you start focusing on people's problems and actually helping them through content, really helping them, they now have reason to listen to you. So when you promote that affiliate offer, they've got a reason to trust you. And that's how affiliate marketing should work. Unfortunately, most people don't do it that way, and that's why most people fail. But let me show you some examples here. So let's go to Medium. Let's take a look at an article. So this is a good piece of content. What it really does, it tackles the issue of content creation. It's speaking to a very specific audience, and lo and behold, inside this piece of high value content, look at it, it's got actionable content. They are linking out, here is a link, an affiliate link to an AI content creator. Now, for the record, I generally do not recommend using AI content. In this instance, I do not agree with this. So that's cool because, first of all, Medium allows this kind of marketing to take place on its website, as long as you have this disclaimer. So this one says, this blog post contains affiliate links. And that's all you need to do. Add that to the bottom of your content on Medium, and away you go. Now, when you create your content on Medium, take a small section of this content, okay, so one nugget, one little gem, and then you turn that into a meme. Let me show you what I mean. So let's take one of the benefits. Okay, so let's say we take this bit. So a great low risk way to potentially make money doing what you love. So we take that, just that sentence, and then we head over to Canva, and we turn that into a meme or a quote. So what we could do is here we have the search bar in Canva, and you can use Canva for free, by the way. You don't have to upgrade to the Pro version. It's got lots of templates that you can use for free. So search for something relevant to your niche, or you can search for maybe quotes. Let's put that in actually. There we go. So this one is nice and clear. We could start with that. And then what we want to do is paste in the sentence. So it may be too long in this example, but in this instance, we want to just kind of summarize it a little bit. So maybe we want to say affiliate marketing is a great low risk way to take, well, let's remove potentially. So that's a quote that we could use, and then we would change the picture. We could maybe change the background image as well. But what we would certainly do is look at Imgur, where we're going. That's where we're going to promote this piece of content, right? So we're going to post the image on Imgur, but we need to make sure that we're communicating in the right way to our target audience. So we would search for affiliate marketing, and then we would hover over some of these and see how well these images are doing. This one has got 740 views. Not that great. So, well, look at this one, 6,500 views. Okay, so now we're getting an idea of what tends to work best on the platform. So we would make sure that we use something similar. We don't copy, but we model. And then we post our image on Imgur. We add the right hashtags and the title and a bit of copy to make sure that it ranks in, essentially, Imgur is a search engine with a social aspect as well. So we want to make sure that we hit those points as well. So now we're getting traffic from Medium, we're getting traffic from Imgur, but we can take it a step further. So let's go back to the article. What we might want to do is just take the first couple of sentences, maybe the first paragraph, copy that, and then we go over to Hacker News. If we believe it's going to be of relevance to Hacker News, and a lot of content is, it doesn't have to be just tech stuff, but anything that you feel is interesting or the community feels is interesting, you should be able to post on Hacker News. And then you go to submit, post it in, add your link, and now you're getting traffic from Medium, from Imgur, and from Hacker News. And remember to get more affiliate traffic methods when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Thank you for being here today. Take care and God bless.